Hello and welcome to the nice memberships extension for Joomla installation tutorial video. First thing we got to do is install nice memberships, and it's a very straightforward Joomla installation. I'm using my Joomla 1.7 development website to demonstrate this, and what we're going to do is come over here to extensions, extension manager. We're going to choose file. There's my Joomla package, installation package for nice memberships, and I'm going to say open and upload and install. As you can see, we get a nice little installation package was successful message. There's a couple of plugins that come with the component. There's actually 4 plugins. 2 of them are optional, and 2 of them are required for the system to function properly. Now we'll go over the required plugins in this video, and then the optional plugins we'll go over later in other videos, and we'll show you how to use those. First thing we want to do to enable those is come over to Extensions, Plugin Manager, and at the top here you'll see my Nice Memberships Expiry, Nice Memberships Redirect, Nice Memberships Profile, Nice Memberships Button. And those are the 4 plugins that I was referring to. So Nice Memberships Expiry is required, and Nice Memberships Button is required. The Nice Memberships Redirect and Profile you guys can go ahead and leave alone for right now. We'll get into those later on. Nice Memberships Expiry is responsible for expiring accounts as the subscription time runs out. So we don't need to change any of these settings, although you can. What the settings control is how often the Nice Membership Expiry runs its expiry routine or expiration routine. So right now we have it to run every 12 hours, and it'll go through the database and look for canceled subscriptions or subscriptions that have reached their end of term. I don't recommend using minutes, but it's there as an option. Probably hours is best. If you wanted to run once a day, you could go every 24 hours. We have it set to run every 12 hours, so twice a day. So anyway, you don't need to mess around with that right now, but we do need to enable it. And we're going to say save and close. And then we're going to come over here to Nice Membership button. And the Nice Membership button is responsible for replacing any button tags that are put out there for the Nice Membership component. And a button tag is just a a certain little tag that tells the system that subscription button needs to be placed at wherever that tag is in the content. So if you're familiar with PayPal Sandbox, you can turn this option on. We're going to leave it off for now because we don't really need it. And if you need your buttons to appear in a different language than English, you can put the language code in here. So for now, we're just going to go ahead and enable this, and we're going to say save and close. And now our 2 required plugins are enabled, and we're ready to go. At this point, we're going to go ahead and go over to the components section. And there's Nice Membership under Components, and you can see we've already pre-propagated this test membership so that you guys can get a good eyeful of the different configurations and how they work within the system for setting up memberships. For right now, we're just going to concentrate on finishing the setup. So we go over here to Settings, and pretty much everything is already preset for us. The only thing that we have to put in to make this work is the Nice PayPal account email for the seller. Now you can also put your merchant ID here, and that's optional for you, but it will work the same. And so we're just going to go ahead and put in our seller account email address. Now obviously this is fictitious seller account, but we're going to say you're going to put in your own for your account, and we're going to say save. And that's it. We're done. We're all set up and ready to start selling Nice Memberships. So we'll go over your first listing in a later video. Anyway, have a great day.